Hey, what's up everyone? This is the video for this kilo filler number 2. Looking for top 3 spots advanced to the main. We're live. 436, 436. Got the list here. 10 entries. Eric on the top, Michael on the bottom. You need 2 dice, 5 or higher. You got 5 times at 437. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 times, we got Michael, Eric, and Dan on the top. We must go 5. Good luck. Wish it 437. 437. Last and final roll. Top 3 spots advance. Congratulations goes to Pete, Michael, and Eric. Congratulations, you 3. Go ahead and pick your spots in the main in order you won. We are done at 437. 437. Congratulations again. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.